Hello. I wanted to spend a few minutes and talk about something we've been working on in terms of a way to navigate systems thinking world, or SystemsWiki more specifically. I ran across this utility on the internet, which was called WikiMindMap, which was developed by Felix Nyffenegger. And what it was meant, the way he developed it, was to be able to navigate Wikipedia so that if I type in a topic and do a search, it provides me with a mind map of the page that it finds as a result of well, the systems theory page, and then gives a number of options for navigating from that point forward. And I just thought it was a nice, quick way to get around from place to place without having to actually look at all of the text on the page. So what I did is, because he made the code available, I went back and modified this, and you can access it right here. It's on the bottom. It's on the bottom of the navigation tab for every page in SystemsWiki. Modified it so that it would run against SystemsWiki as opposed to Wikipedia, and you don't have to tell it um, what wiki you're actually running against. It knows, and so it provides you this mind map of the content of the page in terms of these are links, external links that appear on the page. These are in fact links to some other page within SystemsWiki. If you click on main page, it will actually take you there. If you click on one of these links to some other page, it will take you to that. It will open in a new window that external link. If you select the text for one of these particular um, pages, it will take you to that page. Or if you tell it that you want to bring that page to the center, it will migrate to that page. It will then go ahead and look at the connections on that page so that you can break it apart and take a look at them. And this is the content of the Learning Systems Thinking page, all broken out into links to other pages or other links. And if you end up with a real large mind map, you can use this to navigate around in it this way, or you can simply move the canvas around. If you're looking for something in particular, you can use this to make it larger or smaller, so you can see more of it at once if you need to. If you can use this to search and actually walk through various occurrences of model. If you want to back up, you can just go ahead and hit the back button and go back to the previous display that was there. If you end up sort of being confused about where it is that you are, if you just click this, it will take you back to the landing page for SystemsWiki itself. But if I go back to here, I said that if you oh, and there are descriptions for some, if where there were in fact descriptions in the wiki page associated with the chapter or subchapter, they're pulled out and attached to the item. This can in fact get quite large, though it's still, it's a quick way to look at the content without having to look at all of the text associated with the items. You can go ahead and type in a topic. Currently, it's case sensitive, and in other words, there's a there are a number of enhancement. Well, there's still a few bugs left in it, and there are a number of enhancements that we want to make to it just to make it easier, more useful in terms of navigating through the environment. So if you type in a topic and do a search, if it actually finds that topic. What we also want, one of the other changes we want to make is that if you enter a topic and it doesn't find it, that it actually does a search of the wiki and shows you the connections with the page titles. If I go to the wiki and tell it systems thinking, and I actually do a search instead of a go to, and it gives me this list of page title matches and page text matches. We want to break those out into this kind of a mind map for you. So just a view of something that we're working on. Take a look and provide some feedback. Take care. Have a great day.